Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Josh from Josh's Reviews Australia, and today guys, I'm going to do a review on the Leatherman sidkick. That's it guys, the Leatherman sidkick. And I'll tell you what guys, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 14 tools in one, includes a carabiner, a sheath included. Ooh. It's a bit rough guys around the edge, but do I care? Nope, I do not care not one bit. But take a look at that guys. Look at the tools. Look at all what they will do guys. Take a look at that. It's so shiny. Ooh. Made in the USA. Now guys, let's open it up. And let's get stuck right into it. Ooh, first thing I see guys is the sheath. Oh, quality is not too bad. I mean, it's nice, but proof, guys. Proof is in the pudding. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Nice little bottle opener, little carabiner. Take a look at that, guys. Ooh. Now, if you buy a sidkick, guys, that's what you get. You get one of these, you get one of these, and you also get spring-loaded pliers. Ooh, I haven't seen that before. Bit duster. Ooh. Check out these tools, guys. It's got 3 or 4 on this side. Look at that. It's a Pac-Man, guys. Looks like a Pac-Man 3-in-1. Nice tool. Ooh, they even got the plus and minus symbol so you don't get confused, guys. Look at that. Ooh. Still a lot smaller. Ooh, that looks good. Nice little, nice knife. This looks like the baby brother to what I've got at the moment. Ooh, this is the baby brother. Come on, get out. Baby brother, big brother, big brother, small brother. Hello. Man, guys, look at that. It even comes with a pocket clip. But for all purposes, guys, I am going to leave it in its little case. And eventually I'll put it on my belt. I don't know what I'm going to do with this guys, but I'm going to do something with it. But that is my review guys on the Leatherman sidkick. See you guys, bye!